Assalamu alaikum viewers. Thank you very much that you people are subscribing this channel. I'm extremely grateful to you, and I would like to thank all those people who are subscribing it and viewing the videos, and they are passing a very good remarks in the comments. Today we are going to discuss a very serious topic, that is about the personality disorder. You must have heard about the personality, what the personality is. For a general man, for a common man, the personality would be a mere appearance of some person, but actually this mere appearance is not the whole personality. It is the sum of the total characteristics, what characteristic one individual is keeping, what traits that particular person is keeping, what other traits and the qualities and the characteristic, and the good qualities and the positive attitude within his personality he is keeping. That is the sum of the total characteristics. But what would be the personality disorder? Personality disorder is that person wouldn't be the fully functioning person, and he would be adopting the maladaptive behavior pattern in his personality, in his character traits, because there would be the standardized behavior of the every person in the society. The norm of the normality is that everyone would be having the standardized behavior. They would be showing the best of their behavior within the society, and they are following the rules and the regulations and the norms of the society. That is the normal behavior, but that person would be deviating from the standard behavior of the society, and they would be, their personality will be totally deteriorated. And what characteristic that particular person would be having. Before that, I would like to tell you that personality disorder is also known as, such people are having the psychopaths characteristics, they are having the sociopath characteristics, and they are the antisocial personalities, that they would be the antisocial, developing the antisocial behavior. And antisocial behavior is, they would be doing all those attitude and the behavior which is against the societal norms and the societal standard behavior. So whenever we speak about the various traits and the what type of the behavior they would be depicting in their personality, those who are developing the personality disorder, they would be having the various characteristics and the various traits. First of all, they would be the irresponsible people. They would be deviating from the societal norms. They would be the dishonest people, and whatever they would be doing, they would try to deceive the people from the very beginning. And after doing all those things, if they are violating from the social norms and the social rules, they would be feeling proud of it, and there would be no development of the guilt. There would be absence of the feelings of the guilt within such people, and they will fail to learn from the punishment. If some of the punishment is being given to such people, they will never learn from the punishment, and they will be feeling proud on it whenever they are being punished, that we are the superhuman beings and we can do this. And they will be showing off their bad qualities and the evil traits. Rather, they will be thinking that they are the superhuman beings because they have done this criminal act. That's why they are better than the rest of the people. And such people are very intelligent. How they are intelligent? They are evil genius, and whenever they are having the intelligence level, they would be using their intelligence level in the negative activities, and they would be the mastermind, and they would always be planning the negative things smartly, so they would never be caught by any of the member, by the any police or some other person. They will be violating the social conventions, they will be violating the social norms, they would be breaking the signals frequently, and they would be extremely violent. Whenever there is any violent issue, or the violent problem going on within the society, what they would be doing, they will be moving in the front line, and they would be playing their role on the front foot, and they would be thinking that they are the superhuman beings, and they can break the infrastructure, and they can cause harm to the other people, and they can cause harm to the crowd, and they would be causing a danger for the innocent people who are coming in their way. So they would be expressing the best, the maximum level of their negative attitude and the aggressive attitude. And such people will be highly aggressive, they will be highly hostile, they would be having the hostile and the aggressive attitude, and instead of the verbal violence, they would be having the physical violence as well. Verbal violence is passing the harsh comments, but beyond that, they would be expressing their aggression and anger towards the particular person or towards the particular situation in a very violent way, and they will try to reckon everything whatever comes in their mind, either that is the infrastructure, or that is some car, or that is the person. They will never care for it. Either the next person will die with their criminal act or die with their so harsh and the hostility and the, and such people would be having the reckless attitude. And what is the recklessing attitude? That jeopardizing everything, whatever comes in their way, they will jeopardize it, they will destruct it, and they will never think about the consequences of it. What will happen if they will be caught by the police, and they will never care for it, that people are witnessing them, or they are seeing them, and they can be caught after this situation will be over. Then such people would, it would be very difficult to understand such people, because their personality will be fluctuating from one phase of the personality to another phase of the personality, and they are the social deviant. Socially, they would be dividing, deviating. They will deviate from the normal rules, and whenever they are invited in the peaceful party, they will never attend such parties, and they would be having their own life, and they would be having their own circle, and they would be having their own gangs. And such people would be having a history in their past. For example, we can say in the adolescent age period, they would be having the conduct disorder. And what is the conduct disorder? Conduct is basically the behavior, and their behavior would be um, extremely different from those of their peer group, because they would be always indulging in the smoking and in all the in social activities which are beyond the moral activities, so on and so forth. So we can say that if, and they will be very much irresponsible. Whenever some task is being given to them, they would be denying to complete and accomplish the task. And such thing can be identified by their parents as well, because if some parents do have 4 or 5 children, they can differentiate among all those children, because they can get to know that this child X is very much obedient, child Y is responsible, child Z is like this. But this child would be, in the childhood, would be doing the bully with the rest of the siblings. How they would be doing the bully with the rest of the siblings? Like snatching their things, taking their stationery out from their pencil case, hiding it, bothering them, making them feel cry, and trying to create such type of the emotional disturbance for the rest of their siblings. They will never care for it. Either their siblings are the elder ones or the younger ones, but they will, instead of taking care of their siblings, they would be trying to disturb them emotionally, and they will never be having a healthy relationship in their childhood in the very beginning. So these are the main things of the conduct disorder, and they would be always trying to let down their siblings by doing the bully and so on and so forth. So these are the main characteristics of personality disorder, how they would be generating, and what type of the characteristics in their childhood. Other than this, they would be having various other personality traits. We will discuss it. What other personality and the characteristic traits they would be having in it? Like, for example, they would be abusive whenever they are interacting with the rest of their family members or with the rest of their members. They would be having abusive language, because their language